So a follow-up to my video about the compact power supply. So you see I've put some different batteries in there because I wanted to try the charging circuitry, and we'll look at that in just a second. But I've also tidied up some of the wiring. So you'll see in here the sense wires I shortened, and also the negative into the board, which makes it a bit tidier inside. And I put some insulating tape on some various bits so there's less danger of things shorting out in there. And I wanted to take the top off again, because when I charged it for the first time I wanted to to be able to check that things were not getting hot and that there was nothing shorting and smoking and so on. But I charged these batteries up from a fairly low voltage, and if I show you, so the charging port, so the wires that go into this charging board are actually, they go straight out to the connectors on the back. So this is both the raw output of the board, and it's also where the charging current goes in. So if I put the probes on here from the multimeter, you can see that's now reading 15.9 volts, so nearly 16 volts. So we got 4 volts per cell. So basically I charged this up from another power supply at the back of the bench there. So I had that set up for 16 volts and half an amp. So half an amp is quite a conservative charging rate for these kind of cells, but I didn't want to overheat them. So I was able to charge these up to the full voltage, 16 volts. And if we have a look, I'll fire this up now. So you see the nearly 16 volts on the input side, 15.95 volts. So yeah, so charging it is quite straightforward. It's just basically put the charging current into the main output of the board. Now I don't know if it's possible to charge the batteries and run the power supply at the same time, so I didn't try that. So for charging I left it in the off position. So there we go, just a bit of commentary about how to charge this portable power supply, and having proved that the design's good, I can put the lid on and just use that as a piece of handy test equipment. Alright, thanks very much for watching.